The Supreme Court rejects President Trump's bid to curtail birthright citizenship. In a 6-3 decision, justices struck down Trump's executive order that declared future children born in the U.S. wouldn't be considered citizens if their parents were in the U.S. illegally or on temporary visas. 5 of the justices cited constitutional grounds, with Chief Justice John Roberts writing, "The framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every freeborn person in this land. We keep that promise today."
If you're born on U.S. soil, you are a U.S. citizen. We don't look at the status of your parents. We don't look if they're here legally or illegally. We don't look to see if they're here temporarily or not.
Justices Thomas, Gorsuch, and Alito dissented in the case. Alito calling the ruling a serious mistake that encourages birth tourism. Another major Supreme Court ruling today, justices upheld state laws banning transgender girls from competing in girls' school sports.
And as CBS LA's Jasmine Viel tells us, it's a decision celebrated by supporters as a victory for women's athletics and condemned by LGBTQ advocates as a setback for civil rights.
Girls like me are being told to sit down, smile, and be quiet.
It's a debate that's played out right here in Southern California. Last year's state track and field championships became a flashpoint as Jurupa Valley transgender athlete A.B. Hernandez's participation in the girls' division sparked protests and national attention. But on Tuesday, cheers outside the Supreme Court after the justices upheld other state bans on transgender athletes participating in girls' and women's sports in public schools and universities.
Today was a huge win for girls' sports, but not much is changing in California right away.
Sophia Laurie with the California Family Council says she'll continue fighting to change state law.
If anything, it puts more pressure on Governor Newsom, our California legislature, and CIF, because they now have the right.
I think the good news is we do have protections in the state. We've had those protections since 2013.
Tara Russell Slavin, the chief strategy officer at the Los Angeles LGBT Center, says her hope is that transgender students will continue to participate in sports.
It's the opportunity to learn to be on a team, to build community.
Here at the Los Angeles LGBT Center, they proudly display LA's history of leadership and activism. They offer programs specifically for trans youth facing mental health issues and homelessness, and the center's leaders worry about how this ruling will further impact an already vulnerable group.
Today's actions are cruel, and it's happening at a time where LGBTQ young people are explicitly experiencing, increased social isolation, increased political attacks, increased bullying, and exacerbated mental health challenges.
Tuesday's ruling leaves in place laws and policies in 29 states saying they likely do not violate Title IX, which allows schools to separate sports teams based on biological sex. Alana Redfield, federal policy director at the Williams Institute at UCLA School of Law, says that could have an indirect impact on California.
Can a state protect trans people and protect trans athletes if the federal government says that they don't want to allow that and conditions the receipt of federal funding on the exclusion of trans athletes?
A legal and political fight that is far from over. In Hollywood, Jasmine Viel, CBS LA.